Today in this video, we have covered Brother Entrepreneur 6 Plus PR670E Embroidery Machine, a detailed overview. The Brother Entrepreneur 6 Plus PR670E is a versatile embroidery machine that caters to small businesses and advanced hobbyists. This 6-needle machine is built to handle complex designs and offers professional-grade features in a user-friendly package. It is a great choice for those looking to take their embroidery projects to the next level, whether for personal enjoyment or business expansion. Let's delve into the details of what makes the PR670E stand out. Key features: number 1, 6-needle capability. With 6 needles, the PR670E allows you to set up multiple thread colors at once, making it ideal for multicolor designs without constant thread changes. This feature is especially useful for complex designs, saving both time and effort. Number 2, large embroidery area. The PR670E offers a large embroidery area of 8 by 12 inches, allowing you to create bigger designs on a wide range of items like jackets, bags, and quilts. This size is perfect for larger projects, providing ample space for creativity. Number 3, high-speed performance. The machine operates at a speed of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, enabling faster completion of projects without compromising on quality. This speed is beneficial for those who need to fulfill bulk orders or have tight deadlines. Number 4, advanced editing features. The PR670E comes with a built-in editing feature that allows you to resize, rotate, and reposition designs directly on the 10.1-inch touchscreen display. You can also preview the design on screen before starting the embroidery process. Number 5, automatic needle threading and thread trimming. These time-saving features help reduce manual effort. The automatic needle threading makes setup easier, while the thread trimming ensures a clean finish to your designs. Number 6, wide range of included hoops. The machine comes with several hoop sizes, providing flexibility in design placement and making it suitable for both small and large projects. This variety ensures you have the right tools for different design dimensions. Pros: number 1, user-friendly interface. The large color touchscreen makes navigation easy, even for those new to multi-needle machines. The intuitive layout simplifies design selection, editing, and setup. Number 2, multi-needle efficiency. Having 6 needles significantly cuts down production time, making it ideal for small businesses that handle orders with diverse color requirements. Number 3, durable and reliable. The PR670E is known for its robust construction, capable of handling heavy use without compromising performance. It's built to last, making it a worthwhile investment for serious users. Number 4, versatile design library. The machine includes over 60 built-in embroidery designs and 37 fonts, providing a great starting point for beginners. It also allows for importing custom designs via USB, offering limitless design possibilities. Cons: number 1, high price point. The PR670E is a professional-grade machine with a price range between $7,000 and $8,500. This investment may be steep for hobbyists or beginners looking for a more affordable option. Number 2, learning curve. While the machine is user-friendly, mastering all its features can take time, especially for those new to multi-needle embroidery machines. Number 3, large footprint. Due to its size, the PR670E requires a dedicated space in your workspace. It may not be ideal for those with limited space. Price range. The Brother Entrepreneur 6 Plus PR670E typically ranges from $7,000 to $8,500, depending on the seller and any additional accessories or packages included. While it represents a significant investment, its robust features and professional output make it a popular choice for serious embroidery enthusiasts and small businesses alike. Digitizing and vector art services with Digitizing.com. To maximize the potential of your Brother PR670E, you'll need top-notch digitized designs, and that's where Digitizing.com comes in. Offering affordable and professional digitizing and vector art services, Digitizings can transform your designs into high-quality embroidery files. Perfect for use with your PR670E. With a quick turnaround time, free edits, and a preview of your design before payment, Digitizings.com ensures you get exactly what you need. Whether you're looking for intricate logo digitizing, 3D puff designs, or custom vector art, their services are tailored to meet your requirements. Visit Digitizings.com today to take your embroidery projects to the next level with expertly digitized designs at budget-friendly prices. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.